For what?
Vending Machines. Playtime with Boogie. Got my folders. I got my folders. Let's open it. Let's put the quarter in, kids.
Okay.
Hard. Oh, that's not hard.
You use two hands if you need to. Can you use two hands?
Huh? Nothing?
You gotta twist it first, silly.
How do I? Again?
Turn it the other way. Like this. Wait,
Whoa.
don't open it yet. Hold on.
Open it?
No, no.
Now twist. Done? Thank you. I can't reach.
Let's get one of these toys.
Okay.
Let's put your quarters in.
1 and 2. Whoa!
Oh.
What is this? Put it in my bucket. They're jumping.
They're jumping. The quarters are jumping.
Yeah.
Oh, they're so spooky. You want a spooky one?
Yeah. We got this figure.
Yeah, we got that figure. Cool.
We got the spooky one.
There's a spooky one?
Yeah. It is a spooky one.
Cool.
Put it in my bucket.
Do it. One more try.
Okay.
Good
Go.
job. Yay.
Do this.
Yeah, twist it, maybe two hands. The other way. You can do it, you can do it.
It's so hard. Let me help.
Okay.
Oh, Johnny can't see it. We got this one. I twisted it all by myself.
Awesome, dude.
That's
Yep.
what's wrong. We got wet ball. We got wet bubble gum.
Yeah.
And this is kind of like a ball.
It is kind of like a ball.
You can bounce it at home
Yeah.
and kick it at home.
So
too.
this is bubble gum. You eat it. It's a treat.
Yeah. We got another figure.
Yay. Okay.
Which one is it?
I don't know.
I
Is
know.
it creepy?
It's creepy. It's creepy.
Okay.
Let's go open our place, kids. I want to survive this. Gotta fit it. He's smiling
Yeah.
like me. Now I want to open this one.
Zombie, homie.
He's smiling like me. Look, he's smiling like me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chase him. Get back. He died. Mux. Go! To this one. Again?
And a pretty blue jewel. Look. And we got a cute little purse. We can open up. So we can put all our rings inside our purse. And another green jewel necklace.
I will put this one.
Okay, open up. What's inside?
This. Minions! Hey, look.
What?
Look on that side.
Hey! And when we turn them, they change into something different.
What? Leave it dead. Ugh. Stretchy. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Look, his tail. He's snaky. Snake, scratch, scratch, scratch. Wee.
He's all tied up.
Hit me, hit me, hit me. It's a minion.
We got a minion keychain.
Thank you for watching. Have a fun day. This is a thumbs up. Thank you.
Please subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos. We post a new one.
Every day.
To subscribe, just push this red button right here. And don't forget to give us a big